Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Helium for decentralized wireless networks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Helium for decentralized wireless networks, first, you'll need a Helium compatible hotspot. Research and choose a Helium hotspot that fits your needs. Purchase the hotspot from a reputable retailer or directly from the manufacturer's website. Once you have your hotspot, find a suitable location for setup. Position the hotspot in an area with good elevation and minimal obstructions to maximize range. Connect your hotspot to a reliable power source. Next, download the Helium app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your hotspot to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will guide you through the setup process. During the setup, you will need to select your hotspot's location on a map. Confirm the accuracy of the provided location to ensure optimal performance. After setup, it may take a few moments for the hotspot to start syncing with the Helium network. Once synchronized, your hotspot will begin mining HNT, Helium's native cryptocurrency. Monitor your hotspot's performance through the Helium app. Keep an eye on the coverage map to assess your hotspot's network contributions. If necessary, make adjustments to the placement of your hotspot for better performance. You can also join community forums or social media groups to learn from other Helium users. Stay updated with Helium's official announcements and changes to the network. Engage with the Helium ecosystem to explore additional use cases and opportunities. By following these steps, you'll successfully deploy a Helium hotspot and contribute to the decentralized wireless network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.